Morning. Good morning, guys. We are back in Nelson Bay. Yeah, back to daily life. Today I'm still free, so I am just roaming around, and I'm actually going to my workplace to check my schedule for tomorrow. Yeah, there's not so much changes. The only difference would be the feeling. I feel like, I don't know. Look how they construct the house here. If you notice that the base is just wood. Yeah, there's no metal. The metal that you're seeing are just the scaffolding. Yeah, that is how it is. But you know, the wall is made of blocks like this. Yeah, that's the wall. So I came to my workplace, and they see me, and they see my mustache and my birds. Yeah, they like it. They told me not to take this out, but I've told them I'm going to shave this later, and tomorrow. Actually, I'm still day off for the coming 2 days. Yeah, so I still have 2-3 days. I don't know how. I'm now thinking of going back to Sydney, but no. Yeah, actually I don't know. It is very cold here in Nelson Bay. Yeah. Here in Australia, it is okay to work in a kitchen, even if you have a long beard, even if you have a mustache, it's okay. But you know, if in other countries, it's not allowed for hygienic reason. Yeah, in Dubai, you don't see chef having a beard, having a mustache. Here is okay. Even some chef, they have a very long birds. Look at this. Look at these things. Some of these are still usable. If you want, you can come here and take that. You don't need to ask permission from the owner. Yeah, look at this tree. No leaves. I'm also thinking of going to the gym just to surrender the access card, because I have no plan to go there anymore. Very cold and it's far. I'm thinking of eating to KFC or McDonald's. Yeah, I am now cravings for a Filipino food. So the closest one is KFC and McDonald's. Yeah, I stopped here because I am thinking which one to eat, McDonald's or KFC. Yeah, I like chicken, but I like the comfortability sitting in McDonald's. Yeah, because you know, in KFC, yeah, I like what I've said. I like the chicken KFC. In McDonald's, they don't have chicken here. They have just burger, sandwich, and some usual, yeah, just like that. If you go to McDonald's Philippines, they have chicken, they have rice, they have spaghetti, they have French fries, and of course the usual, all the burgers that you're going to see in all McDonald's around the world. And then for breakfast, they have different menu. They have McDonald's Filipino breakfast, which is amazing. McDonald's here in Australia and even in the US. No, I've never been to the US. Even in McDonald's Europe, they have just burgers. Yeah. Okay, I'm decided. I am going to McDonald's. You know what I remember is that, you know, the McDonald's in Turkey, particularly in Istanbul, they serve beer. Yeah, we're supposed to go there, but I choose McDonald's. Look at this. I was here like 4 weeks or 3 weeks ago, the days before I go to the Philippines, and this was nothing before, and now it's almost ready. Oh, yeah, they construct very fast. You know, before I fly to the Philippines, that was nothing, and now there is that house. Not house, yeah, they're already building. It's almost like halfway through. Oh, there's no way here. Okay, we go across here. Oh, I'm going to McDonald's. McDonald's is there. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. There is a nice view here while you are eating. I am outside. Yeah, now we're going inside the Salamander Shopping Center just to walk around and have a look. Yeah, I have my coffee coming from the Donut King. Look at this TV. This is just $222. It's 32 and this one is 58. Nice. It looks affordable. Yeah, this is here in the Aldi's. Nice weather today. Yeah, I just came from Harvey Norman and the gym is there. Yeah, I went to Harvey Norman and they have you know, selection of different monitor and the computer. I'm tempted to get one of the things that I like, but you know, I'm thinking that I don't need those because I have my computer. But because you know, if you are bored, you're going to spend money to do something like that. I need to be wise always. Yeah, but you know, yeah, that's the disadvantage. If I get out, I see things that I like and I'm tempted to have it. But if I stay at home, very boring. Yeah. Good afternoon, guys. It's still day of today. And you know what, I moved the table here and the side so that I can see some, you know, outdoors. Yeah. I really miss the view in the Philippines, you know. Where's the place I used to stay in, Airbnb. Yeah, I really like that place that I see something. Yeah, that's why I moved it here so that I can see somehow birds like that. There are birds there, if you can see. Can see trees. Yeah, but it's not enough. I still miss that the people, the cars. That is why I'm going outside and I'll do some editing in any restaurant outside. Yeah, it is 12 o'clock in the afternoon, midday. Yeah, time for lunch. No people around here. Maybe in the city there may be some people there. I mean in the center. Look at this. Maybe the owner of the house, he already get slim and doesn't need that anymore. Yeah, it's free. The weather is nice. Look, this sky is very blue. Yeah, you don't see any clouds. But you know, the temperature is maybe around 10 degree or 15 degree. Let's have a look. It's actually 12 degree, no, 21 degree. But you know, it is cold inside the house. Inside of my apartment, it's very cold. Also in the morning, in the night, the temperature is around 6 degree. That's very cold. You know what, I have been curious about this place. This is Nelson Bay Bowling Recreation Club. Yeah, there are some people who are doing the bowling and they have restaurant. We will try to eat here right now, but you know, of course, depends on the price. Look at that. This is the kind of bowling they have. It's a big property. This is actually a membership club, and on the front is the bowling center. This is restaurant. Downstairs there is cafe, and this is how it looks like here, the back. At the moment I'm having this. This is too much for me. This is $13. You know, the price of the food for the member is lesser than the price of the visitor. Yeah. There is this is a hotel, a landmark hotel. I just checked online how much is per night. It's $120 one night. These days this place is still busy, mostly for the senior citizen. I'm curious how to play this. I haven't tried anything like this. Yeah, even a simple gambling I've never tried, mate. Yeah, I just came from there. I came from upstairs, and now I am here in the landmark hotel. I'm not going there this time. Some other time. Yeah, I'm just going to pass through this way. On this side I am reading somewhere here that they have a buffet. I'm going to try that next time. This I end up just walking around. Yeah, I didn't see a right place for me to edit the video. I want to edit in one of the restaurants, but I didn't see anything nice. So yeah, I just bought this coffee from the Walmart, and I'm going back home now. Maybe I'm going to sleep. I'm feeling sad. Yeah, like depressed. I don't know if it's the word. I am actually googling about depression, but I don't think I'm in depression. I think I'm still good. I am just sad. Yeah, I still can't recover that I'm already back in Sydney, back in Australia. Anyway, this is the eyeglass that I bought in the Philippines. This is 1,700 pesos. How much is that? But is this not branded, just ordinary. And here in Australia you can't just have an eyeglass eye protection. You still need to do eye checkup, and it costs, I think it's expensive. Yeah, but if you have health insurance, it will be covered. But it still depends on your cover of the insurance. So in the Philippines, you can have this eyeglass protection for the eyes. But also I did the eye checkup in the Philippines. Yeah, they also checked my eyes, and they said there is no problem. There is 25, but not a big deal. And the ophthalmologist suggested me just to have the computer protection, and this is the one.